17-inch solid copper antenna, double clamped on there with steel clamps, and no metal contact here, at least not with this frame, just for support. But here's where it turns into, you can see that same, so it goes from this copper wire right here completely wraps the grounding rod, and then it's insulated. It goes, there it's exposed again. That is a steel rebar that's driven in there at least a foot, and I'm pretty sure it's stuck in a rig. So that's where it grounds out for now. And north-south, this would be north and south. North is this way, that's south. All right, as you can see here, red is pointing north. Here's my rebar. I'm gonna align it. I think it's more like that, magnetic north. That's as good as you're gonna get. Alright, I'm not rapping too much about this. I'm going to cut right to it. I'm putting grounding stakes, nails, and they'll be going up into the pots from these grounding wires from this antenna. This one ends right here. And I'm just doing it tight like that, with the rod going up into the plant, the planted pot. I'm gonna do that for the other 7. All right, all 7 of the other stakes, grounding stakes, are planted. I started doing, instead of attaching it down here, I started attaching it closer to the middle. Then I can wind it up a little bit. And also, I'm putting the pointed end into the plant, like I'm going to demonstrate with this moringa, as a baseline, which I have hundreds of. So it'll be easy to compare this one to other ones with various states of treatment. This one getting the Electroculture. Same way as all the other plants, the persimmon and the pawpaw and the perilla. They all have a member that is volunteered as well. The perilla might be interesting. Maybe we'll come back to that one. But for now, I'm going to stake this one out. And I'll show you how I do it. Stick it right in there like that. And then this bottom of the spike, bottom of the nail, stick in the ground. There's the wire going off. The head's in the ground, just in touching, and then the rest of it spikes in. And that goes all the way back to the grounding rod connected to the aerial. And right here